Hello everyone! In this video I will show how to build the RP2040 Prototype Board that I use for my design and also for breadboarding purposes. I designed this module because the Raspberry Pi Pico module lacks a couple of features that I need, and I also experienced some interference issues with the onboard switching mode power supply. Alright, but on with the build. To assemble this module you will need some soldering wire, a soldering iron and a side cutter. The kit contains the PCB with the pre-soldered SMT parts, two 20-pin header pin rows, a 10 microfarad electrolytic capacitor, and two tactile switches. The build is super simple, and we will start by mounting the electrolytic capacitor. Make sure that you put it in the correct way. The white minus marking on the cap should line up with the white marking on the PCB. Solder it and trim the component leads using a side cutter. Next we will mount the tactile switches. Make sure that they snap in place and are flush with the PCB before you solder them in place. The last thing to do is to solder the header pin rows in place, and they should be mounted on the opposite side of the PCB so they are facing down. I have a cheap sacrificial breadboard that I normally use for soldering pin headers on Arduinos and other microcontroller modules. But in this case I will not use that, and instead solder one leg first, reheat the solder joint and align the pin header before I continue to solder the rest of the pins. Next you will have to repeat this for the second pin row. Alright, now the module is ready for programming. The programming method is exactly the same as for the Raspberry Pi Pico. Hold the boot cell button pressed and connect the USB cable. The RP2040 will go into programming mode and mimic a USB drive on your computer. Just drag and drop the flash files onto that folder and it will restart and start running your program. The reset button on the RP2040 Prototype Board can be used to restart your program, or you can use it to put the RP2040 into programming mode without unplugging and plugging in the USB cable. Just hold the boot cell button down while you press reset and release it directly. If you want to know more about the module, please check the description for a link to a video about this project. I will also include a link to my GitHub where you can find some documentation. Good luck with your RP2040 projects. Take care, and I'll see you soon again.